Okay, good morning, everyone. We're also back to risk-free blended learning platform, which is the version of the video. So what we've done today is IAS 16, property, plant and equipment, a further analysis looking at it in terms of its accounting method. Now, this is for ATS 1, and we looked at this question as saying, and the question is aimed to test the student understanding on how to prepare ledgers for the respective PPE assets. Here, we are looking at a single item of motor van, but in different brands. You can see the question as we have it there. Then these are the ledgers as they are. So this talks about, we could see the ledger in terms of the motor van. This is the motor van account. The motor van account was prepared from the year 2019 with unique features as we have it further acquisition in the year 2019, 2020, as well as what we have in terms of disposal. So you can see that, like we say here at Risk-Free, the color have to speak volume. So you can see it's beautiful, and you can see the provision for depreciation where we have all the concept that is being done. Look at the provisions in each of the year. How these depreciations are being computed were also analyzed as follows. The amount in 2018 where it was only Toyota that was bought, the amount of depreciation to be charged in 2019 where Lexus was acquired on a pro rata basis, 7 months. Then the amount in 2020 for the 3 assets, and then the amount in 2021. And what happened, the event in 2022 when there was disposal. So before the concept of disposal, we looked at, before we go into disposal account, we look at the concept of disposal where it was said that PPE is sold and the transactions will be carried out as follows. One, the recognition, we have to derecognize the PPE from the books, debit disposal account and credit PPE. Then the next step is determine the profit or loss on disposal. Looking at it in vertical method, then we now look at the account in ledger. So this translates to in the question solution where we have the disposal account where we could see that at this end we got a profit. But don't forget, we have looked at the format here that you can either have a balance on the credit or on the debit. When you have the balance on the debit, balance if you go on debit, it means the profit. This shows that the sales proceed plus the accumulated depreciation is greater than the cost. And which simply means that the sales proceed is greater than the carrying amount of these assets at point of disposal. Finally, we look at this for purpose of external use. We can't present ledger to the external use. All the ledgers will have been done. So in case you are asked, what is presentation of PPE for external use? Publish account. This is done in a very basic manner because this will be required in ATS 2 and even further levels in the ICANN skill. When you get to skill class, students get to skill class to prepare publish account. This you could see that give us basic 3 information: cost, accumulated depreciation, carrying amount, then the schedule in terms of the cost, accumulated fund, and the carrying amount. This we translated to what happened, what will be the presentation in 2020. And this account you could see therein being put into the value. And how this value relates to the records were done, we could also see the total value is very important. We need to put it there when we prepare our record. We need to make sure that all these are properly done. Now, this is something that we have done. If you need further explanation, you can just send your comments and this will be done. Or you can reach us as risk-free tutors. Just type risk-free standard associate on your Google map and you'll be able to locate us. Thank you.